Hey guys, what's up, Karen here, and I have an unboxing video. I did open it, so I didn't have the struggle. Open the camera. What this is, it's a nice pack, which I've never seen what's actually... I know what it is. Open it up. Okay. Oh God, it's beautiful. It is a fidget spinner. So let's open it up. Beautiful. Haven't spun it yet. That's really cool, actually. Let me spin it real quick. Oh, Freddy. Dude, it's so soothing. Come on, get the thumb, Okay. Got the thumb. That is boss. This is really cool. I got like a metal one. It's really cool. So let me tell you what I got. Let me get under some light. So what this is, it has colors. So on this side it has 2 greens and a purple, and like inside it's got like purple right here and a little dot. This side it's got like a goldish kind of color and 2 purples and gold right here. I got the thumb down. Really cool. So if you guys are getting one of these, try to get one of these ones. They look like this. Look at that. Really cool. They're really small compared to my hand. That's how big they are. Compared to my hand, that's how big they are. Really small. So yeah, if you guys get one, I would prefer to get one of these ones. Really cool. Is it spinning? So I ordered this off eBay. Just got an Amazon account like right after I ordered it. So yeah guys, really cool. Totally get one of these. So I just want to make a short little video. So see you guys later. Peace out. Make it spin for you guys. Leave. Peace.